We thought about it, we designed it, and we made the autonomous drone technology a reality to improve monitoring on high-risk and industrial sites. Skeyetech is yesterday's future and so much more for tomorrow. Behind our systems, billions of data are collected, analyzed, and powered by AI to reinvent the use of drones. Thanks to the accumulation of flights data, Azur Drones engineers make Skeyetech drone continuously safer and more performant. Predictive maintenance algorithms allows our support team to program remote or on-site intervention even before anomalies occur. Being autonomous is therefore about being ahead. With its state-of-the-art embedded intelligence, Skeyetech system can fit the latest data science technologies to improve the supervision of your site and anticipate its future. 5 years of development, more than 10,000 flights, and an outbreaking regulatory framework gives us an edge for the future to shape our way of life, of consuming and using. We know what matters for you and for tomorrow. Azur Drones, ready for future.